Hi everyone, my name is Brian Kaufman. I'm a product manager on the GKE team at Google Cloud. Today I want to talk to you about a new guide we just published that walks you through building a RAG chatbot hosted on GKE with integration into cloud object storage, specifically to take PDFs and use the content in those PDFs as context for your RAG chatbot. The way the system works is it integrates into an object storage bucket where you'd place your PDFs. The system would then take those PDFs, vectorize the content in those PDFs, store that in a vector database, and then it comes with a chatbot that when a user would ask a question, that question first gets sent to the vector database. The vector database would generate a series of results. Those results would be then sent to Google Gemini to help craft an answer that is sent back to your end user. This guide complements other guides we have on hosting vector databases on GKE. We currently have guides for Weaviate vector databases, Postgres PG Vector, Elasticsearch, and Quadrant, to name a few. To show you how this works, I have my chatbot here, and I can ask it a question. What are Google's energy plans for the future? The answer that it will give me will be based on Google's carbon-free energy initiative that came from a PDF that I previously uploaded to my object storage bucket that the system was configured for. I can see in the code to the chatbot that we're doing some prompt engineering to instruct the LLM, Google Gemini, to craft an answer that's based on the context that it is provided, and that context is coming from that vector database, which was populated by your PDFs that the system ingested for you. I'll drop the link to the guide in the notes below, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.